And what will assemble the bottom punch blade. Bottom punch blade. To assemble this, you should check the location, the place. To the lowest, go to the lowest, go to the lowest. Yeah, to the lowest location. We check in the center. Check four side the center. Almost in the center, See, check the four side almost in the center. And what now assemble back the top parts. Because the bottom and male and female blade match together to assemble, to avoid the problem, to assemble the top. To check the attention the hole, find the hole, correct hole. And the hammer. Find the correct hole. One center, almost this side center, that side center almost. And then find the blade hole. Yeah, you take the board out and you can check the hole. Find the hole, voltage to find the hole. Opposite assemble. This is assemble the experience. Need to be opposite board assemble, not too tight. Not too tight one place, one board. Should opposite. And then four side even together. And then four side even together. Opposite. Yeah, should be opposite operation. While fix them the board. And what allow assemble the bottom location plate, bottom location board. Four side, two side. Another side, the another side the bottom male blade, bottom blade, down blade to fix it and tight it. See, opposite tight. This is assembly experience. That means one this board, another side of the board, then this board, then another side of the board. This is the assembly experience. Slowly. You see, it's separated. And we should feed one paper. One paper to check how is it cut. Check its work smoothly. Yeah, that means it's okay. Work good. Yeah. Bottom punch. The blade is working good. Okay, so there's no matter now. And what allows assemble the location, paper location plates. Paper location plate with spring and 有方向的吧？
这个支在这面。
哪一个？
这个地方。
怎么看嘛？
这个不应该摘一点吗？你拿游标卡。
To check the smaller, narrow side. 这边窄一点啊。
对，窄点。
Narrow, this is narrow, okay. Yeah, this one's bigger.
这个放这。
Narrow side, this side. Narrow side is point to this side. That means 上下没有关系吗？
旁边光的朝下。
The bright smoothly side under, bright smoothly side under. 那个装了，是这边装过去吗？
装不出去。
Cannot assemble because the location not enough. So maybe need lose that nylon part again. So maybe we'll assemble the nylon part finally. Now after we assemble all the bottom punch, then we'll assemble the nylon holder. Okay, assemble the boards and the sleeve and the board and the spring, the sleeve, spring and the board. Here is the sleeve, and this is the sleeve, and the inside is board and with the spring. Find the hole, point the hole, and also the same work for another side, and then fasten. We should check it work smoothly, and not touch the place and not block the place. After assembly, you should check it smoothly. And what now assemble the center word. Center word you should slowly one joint to the top location. tight it and fix it tightly. And we should drop to check it's not touch. It's not touch any place. And fade one paper to check. Fade one paper. The check is smooth a lot. The check is smooth a lot. Yeah, it works smooth. Then it's good. If not works smooth, then not good. And the resemble back the sensor. Resemble back the sensor. Resemble back the sensor. Now assemble back the pre-fold, the first fold, pre-fold mode. Just assemble back and wait the mode assemble, then adjustment. Assemble back the pre-fold furnace and the mode, and should clean. Assemble back the pre-fold furnace, pre-fold. Simple.
最后一步了。
And here to fix. Of course, follow the height can be adjustable. Follow the height or adjustment.